guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brad at Fine Tune, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video of the SM050 kit from Strutmonkey. And basically this kit is for an E70, like the vehicle behind me. We'll actually be installing this suspension on this vehicle in another video, but I just wanted to throw out an unboxing video of this exact setup and what you get in these kits that you buy from Strutmonkey. So we'll go ahead and unbox these. These are straight from Strutmonkey, so I haven't even opened them and looked at them myself, but let's go ahead and do that right now. So off the bat, we have a nice cardboard box, double walled, which is great. Nice and protected from all the suspension that you guys get. Oh yeah. So there's one of the struts. Oh, can't forget the sticker. Very important. This is everything for the front suspension, and I assume in this box we'll have everything for the rear suspension as well. More paper. Alright, cool. We got some cushions for the springs, the coil springs in the back, new bump stops. Beautiful shock. All right, sweet. So coil springs for the rear, pads for them as well. So these go on the lower, actually this is for the upper part of the shock, and then these right here for the lower, and then this sits in these lower mounts as well, which is pretty cool. Front suspension here, and then we got the rear shocks as well. So these are all completely assembled, very nice, easy to install. Compressing this thick spring, that's pretty much a safety hazard. I mean, it takes a lot to compress, and these shocks, I don't know what kind of shock it is, but it's kind of like a double valve, so it kind of stays in a neutral position. So if you go down, it'll go back up, and then if you go up, it'll go to that neutral position. So it's very hard to compress these springs and pull these shocks up and get this nut on here. So the nice thing about Strutmonkey is all this comes assembled, which is absolutely great. With this vehicle behind me, all I have to do is put it on the lift, drop out this suspension, put it right in there. I don't have to deal with any spring compressors, no dangers with that, no nothing. So, and then on the rear, it's pretty simple. We'll drop out these rear shocks, and it comes with all these bushings here too. So washers included with the kit, and these bushings here. This kit right here is around 1,200 bucks, and then it's around 200 bucks for the rear shock mount kit. And to me, it's just worth it. This is definitely very cheap compared to dealership pricing, and it's the same OEM parts that you would get from BMW as well. So Sachs is an OEM supplier of BMW, so you're not paying for that BMW logo on here. If you want a high performance kit, they have it. Factory refresh, they have it. Complete coilovers, they also have that. And you go down to here that says get free advice / buy a kit. You click on that, enter in your first name, the state you live in, what you drive, and it pretty much asks you questions about your vehicle, and he will build a kit exactly for you and what you want to do with your vehicle, which is extremely helpful because a lot of times, I mean, you don't know exactly what you want, but they specialize in this all day long. So you get exactly what you need for your vehicle. Yeah, that's everything on this kit here. And stay tuned, watch for the next video that's going to be posted. We'll be doing an installation video on the E70. And the E70 is very similar to the F15 chassis as well. So both of those are kind of interchangeable. So if you're looking to upgrade your suspension and not wanting to pay for, you know, a mechanic to do everything, this will definitely save you a ton of money buying this kit and doing it yourself in your own garage. So thank you very much, guys, and like I said, stay tuned for the next video.